One of the things that you might want to add to your website is a page that has a list like this. So this teacher put in some recommended readings in here, and she made a list that has the author's last name, first name, the title of the book, the genre, and then a short summary. And you could just add these things on a page in a table, but that might get a little cluttered after a while. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how, first of all, how to add this page into your website and then how to create it. So this is just an English teacher. I'm not quite sure where she's located, but I'm going to kind of jump out of this and I'm going to just go into a test website here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into manage the site, and it's under page template. And right now, the only page by default that you have that shows is the start page. So you're going to need to click on File Cabinet. And I'm going to go ahead and just turn on announcements as well. And then I'm going to click Show. All right, and then I'm going to go back to my home page here. I'm going to add a new page. And I'm just going to call it Downtime Websites. So between things, these are things my students can go to, and I'm going to make it a list, and I'm going to click create. All right, and then I'm just going to create my own template here, and I'm going to call this website, and I will just be text. And then I'm going to save that. Oh, and I'm going to add another item. No, I'm not. So I'm going to click on Customize this list, and I'm going to add another column, and I'm going to put web address. And I'm going to click URL. So we have different types of links we can put on here. Then I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to add an item, and I have a couple things pulled up over here. So I'm going to go to the National Geographic page, because this might be a place where students could go and spend a little bit of time before they get started on their next assignment while they're waiting for kids to finish. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to my, whoops, I'm going to click Add Item. I'm going to go back to my page here. I'm going to call it Nat Geo. I'm going to paste in the link, and then I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to add one more in here. I'm going to go to the Kids Time news site. I'm going to add an item, time for, I'll call it students. And then I'm going to paste the web address in there, and then I'm going to click Save. Okay, so now you have two different websites on here, but it still doesn't look all that great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this list to an existing page. I'm going to put it on, I'm probably just going to put it on my newsletter page, just to show you what this would look like when you actually add it. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to edit this page, and I'm going to kind of go, let me change my layout here. I just need a footer in here. There we go. And I'm going to put my mouse, my cursor down here in the bottom box. I'm going to go to Insert, Recent List Items. And you could make multiple lists, but right now, if you had more than one, you could select from the list here. But since I just have one, I'm going to go ahead and click that. And I'm not going to change anything on here. You can if you want. If you have a longer list, you might want to change this number of items to show, maybe up to like, I don't know, 20 or however many you want to show. I'm going to click Save and save again. And there's my list. So ideally this would be on a page by itself. It wouldn't have anything else on here. But then students would know they could go to the Nat Geo site, and here's the link. Time for students. Here's the link. And then obviously if there's over the max number you have showing, they just click view more, and they can see more of the websites that are on there, but you can make, I don't know, 6, 7 columns on here. So all kinds of things like that you can do with your website. So I hope this helped, and have a great day.